Have you ever wondered if your pet really loves you? Maybe you've caught your cat or dog gazing at you adoringly and thought to yourself, do they really love me? Or perhaps you've watched a mother dog with her puppies and wondered, are those feelings of maternal love any different from my own? Today we are going to answer these questions and many more. Stick around till the end of this video because we will be talking about whether animals feel love and what that means for them. So make sure to watch it till the very end. We all want to believe that our pets love us, and many people even claim that their pets do love them. But the truth is that until recently, science has not been able to answer this question. After all, how do you measure something as abstract as love in animals? And how do you compare it across species? For a long time, scientists believed that only humans were capable of feeling love. However, recent studies have shown that this may not be true. In fact, scientists have found that many animals, including dogs, cats, rats, mice, rabbits, goats, horses, dolphins, and even chickens feel something akin to love. These animals display behaviors that are similar to human expressions of love, such as cuddling, kissing, grooming, nesting, and protecting their young. They also show signs of affection towards their caretakers, such as wagging their tails, licking their faces, and bringing them gifts. But what exactly does it mean for an animal to love its caretaker? Does it mean that they have the same kind of love for you that you have for them? Well, not necessarily. What we do know is that animals feel a strong bond with their caretakers, and that bond is based on a variety of factors, including hormones, brain chemistry, and social conditioning. For example, oxytocin is a hormone that is released in the brain when people experience love and affection. And it turns out that dogs also release oxytocin when they are around their owners. This is why they get so excited when you come home, or why they like to be close to you. In fact, just looking at your face can make a dog release oxytocin. But it's important to note that while dogs may experience something similar to love, it's not the same as human love. Dogs don't love in the same way that people do. Their feelings towards their owners are more complex, and they experience a range of emotions from excitement to joy to comfort and security. When it comes to animals like cats, things get even more complicated. Cats are known for being more independent than dogs, and they may not show affection in the same way. However, studies have shown that cats do form bonds with their owners, and they do experience a range of emotions. When a cat rubs against your leg or purrs when you pet them, they are not only showing you affection, but they are also releasing oxytocin. Just like dogs, cats also experience something akin to love, but it's important to remember that it's not the same as human love. So what about animals that aren't domesticated like birds? Do they feel love? Well, recent studies have shown that birds do experience something similar to love. In fact, scientists have found that prairie voles are one of the few species of birds that form strong pair bonds, and they are also one of the few species that experience parental care. This means that prairie voles not only feel love towards their mates, but they also feel love towards their offspring. In conclusion, the answer to the question, do animals feel love, is not simple and straightforward. Science has made significant progress in understanding animal emotions, and it's now clear that many animals, including domesticated and non-domesticated animals, experience something akin to love. However, it's important to remember that animals don't love in the same way that humans do. Each species experiences love in its own unique way, and it's not always easy to understand. Nonetheless, the fact that animals do experience love is a wonderful thing to know, and it makes our bonds with our pets even more special. Thank you for watching. See you next time.